Mars looks like a dream. Endless red deserts, frozen horizons, alien skies. But here's the real question. Could humans actually survive on a world this beautiful? Let's find out. At first glance, Mars feels possible. It has seasons, ice, weather, mountains taller than Everest, and canyons so huge they make Earth look small. But the moment you step onto Mars without protection, survival ends almost immediately. The air is mostly carbon dioxide, and the atmosphere is only a tiny fraction of Earth's. On Earth, our thick atmosphere and magnetic field help shield us. Mars has no global magnetic shield like ours, and its thin air does a poor job protecting the surface from harsh radiation and ultraviolet exposure. And then there's the cold. At the equator on a good summer day, Mars can briefly get surprisingly mild, but nights and winters can plunge to terrifying extremes. Mars doesn't just look dusty, dust is one of its greatest threats. Fine abrasive particles can invade equipment, coat solar panels, contaminate habitats, and turn a beautiful sky into a choking storm of red haze. Mars' gravity is only a little over 1/3 of Earth's. That sounds fun, until you remember the human body evolved for full gravity. Bones, muscles, circulation, and even long-term health may all suffer. So is the answer no? Not exactly. Humans probably could survive on Mars, but not by living on Mars the way we live on Earth. We'd survive by building a tiny artificial Earth around ourselves. A real Mars habitat would need to do almost everything Earth does for us, every second. Provide pressure, oxygen, clean water, controlled temperature, food systems, waste recycling, and protection from radiation. In fact, some of the safest Mars homes may not be shiny glass domes at all. They may be buried habitats, under soil, under ice, or even inside lava tubes, where the planet itself becomes your shield. Mars does offer one priceless resource: water ice. And where there is water, there is a path to drinking water, oxygen, farming support, and maybe even fuel production. The dream of surviving on Mars depends on using Mars itself, turning local resources into what humans need. That means extracting water, producing oxygen, and reducing dependence on constant resupply from Earth. Food sounds simple, just grow plants, right? But on Mars, farming means artificial light, closed-loop water systems, and near-perfect habitat control. And survival is not just physical. Mars means isolation, confinement, distance, delay, and the mental weight of living on a planet where almost every mistake can become fatal. So, could humans survive on Mars? Yes, but only through engineering, discipline, and constant life support. Mars is not a second Earth waiting for us. It is a hostile world that would allow survival only on carefully built human terms. And maybe that's what makes Mars so powerful. It is not beautiful because it welcomes us. It is beautiful because it challenges us. To survive there, humanity would have to bring its science, its courage, and its entire artificial world across space.